Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 12. So let us answer this question. So the first question is, the device used for producing electric current is called generator, galvanometer, ammeter and motor. Among these four options, the right answer is option A, generator. So generator is a device. So this is part A physics. This is part A physics. So the first question is option A, that is generator. So generator is used to generate the electricity. So now let us move for the second question. The second question is, inside the magnet, the field lines moves from north to south, from south to north, away from south pole, away from north pole. So among these four options, the right answer is from south to north, inside, but outside from north to south. So for the second question, the right option is option B, that is from south to north. From south to north. So now let us move for the second main. So the second main first question is, state Maxwell corkscrew rule. So Maxwell corkscrew rule is also called as right hand thumb rule. So now let us state the right hand thumb rule. Hold a current carrying hold a current carrying straight conductor. Hold a current carrying straight conductor in your right hand. Such that thumb indicates the direction of current, and forefinger indicates four fingers indicates the direction of magnetic field. So now let us move for the fourth question. This is third main, fourth question. So the fourth question is, what is solenoid? List the properties of the magnetic field due to the flow of electric current in a solenoid. So now let us write what is the definition of a solenoid. So what is a solenoid? And we have to write what is a solenoid and its property when a current flows through in a solenoid. Inside the that is solenoid, what will be the magnetic property? So what is a solenoid? So a solenoid is a coil of many circular turns. A coil of many circular turns. Of insulated copper wire. Wrapped closely in the shape of a cylinder. Is called as solenoid. Now let us make a list of so what are the properties of a magnetic field inside a solenoid. So the first property of a magnetic field inside a solenoid is, so the magnetic field lines are straight and parallel. The magnetic field lines are straight and parallel. This is the first property. Then the second property is that, so magnetic field lines is same at all points. Magnetic field lines will be same at all points. So these are the two properties of magnetic field inside a solenoid. So now let us move for the next question. So this is question number 5. In the question number 5 they have given an electric oven of 2 kilowatt power rating is operated in a domestic circuit that has a current rating of 5 ampere. What do you expect? ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಓವನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು 2 ಕಿಲೋವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಪವರ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು 220 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ರೇಟಿಂಗು 5 ಆಂಪರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ದು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಓವನ್ 2 ಕಿಲೋವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. So fifth question solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. So power they have given which is equal to 2 kilowatt, which is equal to 2 into, for 1 kilowatt 1000 watt. So 2 into 1000 which is equal to 2000 watt. Then voltage given V is equal to 220 volts. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವೀಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಓವನ್. ಸೊ I is equal to P divided by V. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ P is equal to V into I is equal to P by V. ಸೊ I is equal to P ಅಂದರೆ 2000 divided by V ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 220. 0 0 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. 2 1s 0 0, 2 11s. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ 100 by 11 which is equal to 9.09 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಓವನ್ನು 9.09 ಅಷ್ಟು ಆಂಪರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ಕರೆಂಟು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ 5 ಆಂಪಿಯರು, ಬಟ್ ಇದು 9 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ನಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ವೆನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಸೊ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 5 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ವೈರ್ ಏನಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ವೈರ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ವೈರ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ವೈರ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟನ್ನು ಇಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು 5 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ 5 ಆಂಪಿಯರು, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಓವನ್ನು 9 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ತಡೆಯೋಷ್ಟು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ವೈರ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅರ್ಥಿಂಗ್? Electrical appliances having metallic body are connected to earth wire. Why? So let us answer both the questions. So now this is sixth question and this is fourth main. So what is earthing? So earthing is a safety device. Earthing is a safety device which protects us from electric shock. Then electrical appliances having metallic body are connected to earth wire. Why? Because let us answer this question. Because the earthing wire provides a low resistance conducting path for the leakage current or for excess current. For excess current. So this is how the earthing wire will protect. So if any leakage is there or any excess current flows, that will it will create a path. It will provide a low resistance conducting path for the leakage current, and hence the leakage current will move into the earth and it will protect us from electrical shock. So now let us move for the next question. That is, draw a neat label diagram of electric motor. So this is the last question of that is physics part. Now let us move for the chemistry part. So the first question of chemistry is, the chemical formula for rusting of iron is dash. Fe2O3 10H2O, Fe2O3, Fe2O3 2H2O, Fe3O, Fe3O4. So among these four options, the right option is option C. So let us answer for the first question, chemistry part. So this is fifth main, eighth question. Option C, Fe2O3 2H2O. Then let us move for the ninth question. So the ninth question is, the gas liberated at the cathode in the electrolysis of water is dash: hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen. So among these four options, the gas liberated at anode will be oxygen. So the right answer for ninth question is option B, that is oxygen. Now let us move for sixth main, that is a 10th question. So the 10th question is, what is oxidizing agent? So let us answer, what is oxidizing agent? The substance which reduces itself and oxidizes the other. The substance which reduces itself and oxidizes the other is called as oxidizing agent. Now let us move for seventh main, that is question number 11. So question number 11 is, define corrosion, how to avoid corrosion. So let us define what is meant by corrosion. The spoilage of metal when exposed to air, moisture and acid is called as corrosion. Now how to avoid corrosion? So you can avoid corrosion by oiling, then second one by greasing, by oiling, by greasing, by anodizing, by galvanizing, then by making alloys, by electroplating, then by painting. So these are the methods to avoid corrosion. So now let us move for the next question, that is question number 12. So in the question number 12, that is, the chemical reaction takes place between sodium sulfate and barium chloride is called double displacement reaction. Why? Write the balanced chemical equation for this reaction. So let us answer the question number 12 now. So in the question number 12, they asked, that is, when the chemical reaction that takes place between sodium sulfate and barium chloride. So sodium sulfate and barium chloride is double displacement reaction because there is a exchange of ions. There is a exchange of ions between because there is a exchange of ions between because there is a exchange of ions between the reactants to form a new compounds is called as double displacement reaction because between reactants there will be exchange of ions, therefore it is called as double displacement reaction. Now let us write the balanced equation for this one. So if I write the balanced equation for this one, so let us write the balanced equation. So that is barium chloride BaCl2. Barium chloride when reacts with sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4 sodium sulfate. So it gives BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. So barium chloride so reacts with sodium sulfate to form barium sulfate, and this barium sulfate is white PPT and sodium chloride. So BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 give rise to BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. So this is the balanced chemical equation. So now let us move for the next question. So let us move for the next question, that is eighth main, that is answer the following. So in that one, balance the following chemical equation. Here three equations are given, so let us balance them. So this is eighth main 13th question. So the first balancing equation they have given is HNO3 plus nitric acid when reacts with calcium hydroxide. So it forms calcium nitrate CaNO3 taken twice plus H2O. So this is the skeletal equations they have given. We have to balance this equation. So now here NO3 taken twice is there. Here only NO3 is there. So to make NO3 taken twice, both LHS and RHS equal. So here I will write 2HNO3. Now it will become NO3 taken twice plus. So this you write as it is CaOH taken twice give rise to this, also you write as it is CaNO3 taken twice NO3. Ca1 is there, here also 1 is there, balanced. NO3 2 is there, here also NO3 2, that also balanced. Then here hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen is there, here CaOH taken twice. So here 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, total 4 hydrogen should be there. So here only 2 hydrogens are there, therefore we should write 2H2O. So now it will become 2 2s are 4. Here 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, total 4 hydrogen. Then here oxygen 2 is there, here also oxygen 2 is there. So now the equation is balanced. So now let us move for the second balancing equation, that is N2 plus H2 give rise to NH3. N2 plus H2 give rise to NH3. So here nitrogen 2 is there, but here only one nitrogen is there. Here 2 hydrogen is there, but here 3 hydrogen is there. So to balance this equation, so now let us write N2. Here two nitrogens are there. Here only one nitrogen. Let us write 2 here. So 2NH3. So when I write 2 here, nitrogen become 2, right hand, left hand also become 2. Now in the right hand RHS, here 2 3 is a 6 hydrogen is there, but here only 2 hydrogen. So now if I write 3 here, 3H2, it will become 3 2 is a 6 hydrogen, 2 3 is a 6 hydrogen. So nitrogen 2, here also nitrogen 2. 3 2 is a 6 hydrogen, 2 3 is a 6 hydrogen. So now nitrogen and both are get balanced. Therefore the balanced chemical equation is N2 plus 3H2 give rise to 2NH3. So now let us balance the third equation. So BaCl2 plus H2SO4 give rise to BaSO4 plus HCl. So barium chloride when reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms barium sulfate and hydrochloric acid. So equation BaCl2 plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid, it give rise to BaSO4, that is barium sulfate plus hydrochloric acid. So now let us balance it now. Here Ba1 is there, here also Ba1, SO4, here also 1 is there, here also SO4 1 is there, balanced. But here two hydrogens are there, here only one hydrogen is there. Here two chlorine is there, but here only one chlorine is there. So when I write the RHS, BaSO4 plus, if I write 2 here, it will become 2HCl. So hydrogen become 2, chlorine also become 2. Here also 2 hydrogens are there, 2 chlorine. By writing 2 here, so the that is equation is completely balanced. So BaCl2 plus H2SO4 give rise to BaSO4 plus 2HCl. So this is how to balance the chemical equation. So now let us move for the last question of chemistry, that is what is oxidation? Or that is a B question. A shiny brown colored element X on heating in air becomes black in color. Name the element X and the black colored compound formed. So let us write answer for the 14th question. So the 14th question answer is what is oxidation? So let us answer what is oxidation. First question, the process of gaining of oxygen, the process of gaining of oxygen, the process of gaining of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, the process of gaining of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Next, a shiny brown colored element X on heating in air becomes black, that is 2Cu plus O2 give rise to 2CuO. This is the X element, this is a brownish shiny element. So here the X element is called as copper, and this is copper oxide. This is the product is copper oxide, and this copper oxide is black in color. So what is the name of the black color compound? The name of the black color compound is called as copper oxide. So copper oxide is a black color compound. So like this we have to answer this chemistry part. So next let us move for the next part, that is part C, biology. So let us answer the part C, biology. So let us answer the first question of biology. This is ninth main. So ninth main, choose the correct answer. So among the following, dash is a plant hormone: growth hormone, insulin, adrenaline, axin. So among these four options, the plant hormone, all these three are animal hormone and axin is the plant hormone. So for 15th question, the right option is option D, that is axin. Axin is the right answer. So now let us move for that is question number 16. So in the question number 16, they have given the gap between successive neuron is called dendrite, synapse, axon, impulse. So among these four options, the right option is option B, synapse. A fine gap between successive neuron is called as synapse. Now let us move for the next main, that is 10th main, that is 17th question. So let us answer the 10th main 17th question. Why it is compulsory to take iodized salt in our diet? So why we have to take iodized salt in our diet? Because iodine helps in synthesis of thyroxine hormone, which avoids a disease called which avoids a disease called goiter. So this is the answer for the 17th question. Now let us move for the 18th question. So 18th question they have given that how is the movement of leaves of the sensitive plants different from the movement of a shoot towards light. So let us differentiate both of them now. So let us differentiate between movement of leaves, movement of leaves, movement of leaves of the sensitive plant, movement of leaves of the sensitive plant, and movement of shoot, movement of shoot towards light, movement of shoot towards light. So let us differentiate between them. The first difference is movement of leaves. It is a non-directional movement. It is a non-directional movement. Then movement of shoot towards light. It is a directional movement. It is a direction. It is a directional movement. Then second difference between them is it is not essential for, that is closing of leaves. It is not essential for, it is not essential for survival. So close leaves close ಆಗಕ್ಕೂ ಅದು ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೂ no dependent. So shoot moving towards sunlight, it is essential. It is essential for growth. This is the second difference between them. Then the third difference is that it occurs due to change in turgor pressure. Due to change in, it occurs due to change in turgor pressure. Then here it occurs due to, secretion of axin hormone. So these are the three differences between, that is movement of leaves in the sensitive plant and the movement of shoot towards light. So now let us move for the 19th question, that is draw a neat label diagram of neuron. So next let us move for the 20th question. We withdraw our leg when we stepped on thorn unknowingly. Trace the sequence of events occur in this action. Which part of the human nervous system control the above action? ಫಸ್ಟು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 20th question. That is, let us first 19th is diagram question. It is a diagram, that is we have to write a neat diagram of neuron. So now let us move for let us trace the sequence now. That is 20th question A. Let us answer the A question. So let us trace it. First stimulus anta barana. So illi stimulus anta bandaga, so thorn is stimulus, a mulle stimulus. So allinda next receptors of sense organs, receptors of sense organs. So illige move agutte information. Allinda it moves to through sensory neuron. So sensory neuron in a ಮೂಲಕ, so information it moves to spinal cord. So spinal cord will receive the message and it will give the message to motor neuron. Motor neuron will carry the information to effectors, that is muscles, that is muscles of leg, and the response, the muscles of leg will give the response. And what is the response? Removal of leg back, Removal of leg back is the response. So like this we have to trace the that is when we step our leg on the thorn, this is the step. And here the second question is there. So for this action, who is responsible? Who will control this action? So this action will be controlled by, not by brain, it will be controlled by spinal cord. So this is the answer for B question. Now let us move for the 21st question. So the 21st question is, name the fluid present in brain which protects the brain. That is 1 marks question. And another question is, draw a neat label diagram of human brain. This is 1 marks and this diagram is for 3 marks. So let us answer which is the name of the fluid that is present in human brain that protects the brain. So this is 21st A. So name the fluid present in the brain that protects the brain. That is called cerebrospinal fluid. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು CSF ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. So by this we have answered all the questions related to part A, part B, part C. That is part A physics, part B chemistry, and part C biology. So all the questions we have answered. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos, and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thanks for everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.